Have you ever wondered if hydrogen peroxide could be used on feet? Well, let us embark on a journey to explore the immense power of this seemingly simple substance. Hydrogen peroxide, a clear, colorless liquid, is more than just a humble household disinfectant. It's a versatile solution that holds a world of benefits within its tiny bubbles. Let's start with the basics. Hydrogen peroxide is a potent antiseptic, renowned for its disinfecting properties. This makes it an excellent ally in the fight against foot problems, many of which are caused by harmful bacteria and fungi. Whether it's a nasty case of athlete's foot or a stubborn plantar wart, hydrogen peroxide is a force to be reckoned with. But that's not all. This magic solution is also effective against calluses, those thick, hardened layers of skin that can sometimes make walking feel like you're treading on pebbles. Hydrogen peroxide can soften these calluses, making them easier to remove and giving your feet the smooth and comfortable feeling they deserve. Now you might be thinking, surely there are other products that can do the same? Well, here's where hydrogen peroxide really shines. Unlike many other skincare products, hydrogen peroxide is cheap, readily available, and doesn't contain any artificial fragrances or colors that could potentially irritate your skin. It's a natural, uncomplicated solution that gets the job done without any fuss. Moreover, hydrogen peroxide is not just a reactive solution for when things go wrong. It's also a proactive measure to keep your feet in peak condition. Regular use of hydrogen peroxide can help to prevent many common foot problems before they even have a chance to start. So, there you have it, the power of hydrogen peroxide in a nutshell. It's a mighty warrior in the fight against foot problems, a gentle giant when it comes to skincare, and a vigilant guardian that helps to keep your feet healthy and happy. Stay tuned to find out how to use hydrogen peroxide on your feet in the most effective way. Now that we know why hydrogen peroxide is beneficial, let's delve into the step-by-step process of using it. You might be surprised to know that the application process is quite simple. The first thing to remember is to always use a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution. This concentration is safe for skin contact and effective in providing the desired benefits. Any higher concentration can potentially cause skin irritation or even burns, so stick with the 3% solution to be on the safe side. The process begins with a nice, relaxing foot soak. Fill a foot basin or any similar container with enough warm water to cover your feet. Then, add a cup of the 3% hydrogen peroxide solution. Mix the water and hydrogen peroxide thoroughly to ensure an even distribution. Now it's time for the most relaxing part, soaking your feet. Immerse your feet in the solution and let them soak for 15 to 20 minutes. This is more than just a chance to unwind and give your feet a well-deserved break. It's the time when the hydrogen peroxide works its magic, breaking down the dead skin and killing bacteria that cause foot odor. After the soaking, don't rush to pull your feet out. Your skin has absorbed a lot of moisture and it's important to let it dry naturally. Pat your feet gently with a towel and let them air dry. This is an important step that ensures the hydrogen peroxide has fully done its job. As easy as this process is, it's crucial to remember some precautions. Hydrogen peroxide should never come into contact with your eyes, as it can cause severe irritation. Similarly, if you have any open wounds or cuts on your feet, you should avoid using hydrogen peroxide as it can cause a stinging sensation and delay the healing process. Always wear gloves when handling hydrogen peroxide to protect your hands, and make sure to wash your hands thoroughly after the procedure. And remember, if you experience any discomfort or skin irritation, discontinue the use of hydrogen peroxide and consult a healthcare professional. As you can see, using hydrogen peroxide for foot care is a straightforward process that anyone can do at home. It's an inexpensive and effective way to keep your feet healthy and refreshed, so why not give your feet the care they deserve? With these steps, you can make the most of the benefits hydrogen peroxide has to offer. While using hydrogen peroxide seems straightforward, some common mistakes can reduce its effectiveness. One mistake that's often made is using a hydrogen peroxide solution with a concentration that's too high. While it may seem like a higher concentration would be more effective, this is not the case. Too much hydrogen peroxide can irritate the skin and even lead to burns. So, what's the solution? It's simple. Stick to a 3% solution, which is safe for topical use and can be found in most drugstores. Another common error is not soaking the feet for long enough. If you're in a rush, it can be tempting to cut your soak short, but doing this can significantly reduce the effectiveness of the treatment. The recommended soak time is at least 10 minutes. This allows the hydrogen peroxide to penetrate the skin and do its job. To make the time pass more quickly, you might read a book or watch a favorite show while you soak. The third mistake people often make is not drying their feet properly after soaking them. This step is crucial. If you leave your feet damp, you're creating a breeding ground for fungi, which is exactly what you're trying to avoid by using hydrogen peroxide. So after your soak, be sure to thoroughly dry your feet, especially between the toes. You might even consider using a hairdryer on a cool setting to ensure they're completely dry. And finally, remember that consistency is key. Using hydrogen peroxide once and expecting miracles is unrealistic. Like most skincare treatments, it requires regular use for the best results. Aim for at least once a week and you'll be on your way to healthier, happier feet. By avoiding these mistakes, you can ensure optimal results from your hydrogen peroxide foot soak. Consistency is key when it comes to using hydrogen peroxide on your feet. Just like any good habit, the benefits of applying hydrogen peroxide to your feet become more pronounced over time. So what exactly are these benefits? Let's delve into that. First and foremost, hydrogen peroxide promotes healthier skin. It works as a powerful oxidizer, effectively killing bacteria and fungus that can cause foot infections. Regular application can help prevent problems such as athlete's foot and nail fungus, keeping your feet in tip-top shape. Now let's talk about foot odor. It's a common issue that many people struggle with, and it can be quite embarrassing. The good news is, hydrogen peroxide can help with this too. Its antibacterial properties kill the bacteria responsible for the unpleasant smell. By using it consistently, you can keep your feet fresh and odor-free. In addition to healthier skin and fresher feet, hydrogen peroxide can also help to whiten your toenails. Over time, our nails can become discolored due to various factors such as aging, wearing nail polish, or even certain medical conditions. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a natural bleaching agent, helping to restore your nails' natural color and shine. But that's not all. Regular use of hydrogen peroxide can also reduce foot problems. It helps to soften calluses and corns, making them easier to remove. Plus, it can aid in the healing of minor cuts and scrapes thanks to its antiseptic properties. So as you can see, there are numerous benefits to using hydrogen peroxide regularly. It's a simple, cost-effective solution that can make a big difference in your foot health. It's important, however, to remember to use it correctly and safely, as misusing it can lead to skin irritation or other issues. By incorporating this simple step into your foot care routine, you can enjoy healthier and happier feet. So why not give it a try? Your feet will thank you. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today about using hydrogen peroxide on your feet. Hydrogen peroxide, a simple yet powerful compound, offers a myriad of benefits for foot health. From its antiseptic properties to its ability to soften and rejuvenate the skin, it's a versatile addition to your skincare routine. We've walked through the process of applying hydrogen peroxide to your feet, emphasizing the importance of correct dosage and method. It's crucial to remember that less is often more, and that a light touch can go a long way in ensuring the benefits of this treatment. We also highlighted common mistakes, such as overuse and improper dilution, giving you the knowledge to avoid potential pitfalls. Finally, we discussed the long-term benefits of regular use, including improved skin health and the prevention of foot-related ailments. Remember, your feet carry you through life. Give them the care they deserve with hydrogen peroxide.